In today's time, everyone wants to create standout ads for their products, but the problem is that for this, you have to use high-quality editing software or hire an agency to create high-quality CGI apps. However, in today's video at Mohsin Digital House, we are going to learn how you can create these CGI ads very easily. So let's get started. First, you have to create a high-quality image of your product. For this, I'm choosing Canva, and from Canva, I'm going to the Elements tab. Here, I'm going to search for Sprite Can, and from here, you can search for a Sprite Can of your own choice. After selecting a Sprite Can of your own choice, click on the Background Remover option, which is paid in Canva Pro. However, if you don't have it, try using some other apps for removing the background. After finalizing the product, click on the Share option, increase the resolution, check on Transparent Background, and then save the image on your PC. Now go to Google and search for for converting your image into a CGI ad. From here, click on Get Started for free. This tool is absolutely free, so you just have to sign in and create an account in this tool. After creating an account with your Google account, it will verify. Wait for this, and after verification, it will move towards the home page. From here, they will give you a demo if you want to see this. Otherwise, click on Get Started, and from here you can select your own picture. You can view all the templates, and you can also upload a picture. Click on the Projects option and upload. Click on Upload Product Photo, and after clicking on that, select the picture you created in Canva. After selecting, you can also select the product images from, but if you want your own picture, you can use this option that I am going to use. Click on Skip, and then describe your image. Look at this, read the description, and according to that, describe your image. After that, click on Continue. After clicking on Continue from here, you can describe your image in Generate Photo Shoot, and you can also use different prompts. Just like this, I am using Soft Pastel Cream Color, and you can see here the change. After framing, we can drive another one for better clarity. So I am going to search for more templates, and I'm selecting this nature template. You can see here this nature template is applied. You can also change the adjustments, but I think it's fine and good. So I'm going to download this image. I'm not going to edit this images here, I'm just going to download this image. After downloading that image, you have to go to Adobe Firefly, and here, click on the Firefly link. After that, click on Create with Firefly, that blue button. From here, you have to log into your account. As my account is already logged in, I'm going to click on this option, Image to Video. From here, you have to agree and then go to ChatGPT. Put your picture here and ask for the right prompt for this image to create a CGI ad. He will write the prompt. Copy this prompt and paste it in Firefly and click on Generate. It will take a little bit of time depending on your internet speed. After that, you can see how good this ad is. Now, you can easily create high-engaging CGI ads for your own products. I hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Also suggest good video topics that you want us to create more engaging, short, and easy videos for you. Thanks for watching. We'll meet tomorrow in the next topic.